about to ruin the image and the style that you used to. I look funny, but yo, I'm making money, see? So yo, world, I hope you're ready for me. Now gather round. I'm the new fool in town, and my sound's way down by the underground. I'm drinking a bottle of Hennessy you got on your shelf. So just let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty, pronounced with the umpty. My name is Humpty, pronounced with an umpty. MOJO Day Trading showing the team today. Everybody's already gone for the day. We've traded miraculously, like a double hump today. It's 12 o'clock. Let's do the daily poll today. Half the room's gone, but we'll see who we got left. 9:28. It's now 12. And we traded, no. Yes, D guys. Yes, UV. Yes, Seed. Yes, Twitter. Hold on, so TWTR. Twitter and RGSC. Just unbelievable. And Jivo. Okay. So with these trades, bam, bada ding. How'd you guys doing? And while you do that, let me show everybody what the market's doing. It's September 28th. Is it?
Yeah.
Dow's down 23.
Well, yes.
UVXY 1674, trading it like a machine today. Like a machine today. Actually, I'm trading the options on UV. I just want to show you right here. I just bought some Jivo at 48. So right here, I just bought some Jivo at 48 and change. 48, 1, 2, 3, 400 shares. Have an order. So that's right there. Got some Jivo. And then I bought UV right here. The options at 133, 32, and 30 got filled. And then it ran to 40 and sold it at 39. So that's representing 3,000 shares for 8 cents, $240 trade in the matter of, bought it at 11.56, bought it at 12, sold it at 12.01. Great trade. I did that this morning with the options. I own them at $1. Here's the options. Check them out. So we traded them right here up to $1.58. I bought them at $1.10 this morning, and they went to $1.50. These are so liquid, guys. Options are very liquid because they go according to the price of the stock. It just moves through. All this volume action is actually pretty much me today. And that's what happened with that. Let me show you. Maybe I could show you the ones this morning. Yeah, here we go. So here's the ones this morning. I'll show you a nice trade on some options. So this is when UVXY was going through $17. I bought some 100 of them at 37, 150, then another 50 at 33. And then another at 32. And then I sold at 38 and 39. It started to run. I sold, hold on, cancel. I sold 39, 100 of them or so. And then I sold 38, another 50. And then I sold 40 and 41. I sold 42, had it out at 45. And that was the end of it. Sold 42 and 43. So UV's coming down. Now we're going to be able to do it again. The options are coming down. I'm on the bid at 130, 28, and 25, but I'm going to cancel. See what it drops. And then I got some Jivo. So that's how I traded the options today, like a true options champion. So UV's right there. Jivo's right here. Jivo looks good. Jivo made a nice move. Something's going on with Jivo again. So I think it's going to make a 2-day move. We've had our first green day. This is the pattern. So we'll see another move and another move. Very similar to this very similar to this. By the way, this was not called for because nothing changed from here. They got to deal with Alaska Airlines. They're the main supplier of gasoline to a major airline, which is the airline's doing the best in cost savings due to GIVO. It's the first of many. Okay. So line up the, here's the tower. Okay. There's the tower giving out some signals to this tower right over here. And then you got GIVO. Right there. See that? And there's the GIVO supplying the fuel for the planeage. And this is the G. And that's the G. Tower, you're clear for takeoff. There you go. GIVO, you're clear. Clear for takeoff. A lot of people are betting on GIVO. I know a lot of newsletters that own it up here and in here. And when it dropped, they're still in it, recommending it very, very strong. Okay. I just want you to notice Mojo, everyone in the room. See that? Thank you. Okay, next. We did seed right here. You should have a little bit of seed left. A little bit of seed left. We just bought seed and RGSC right down here off the auto closes. RGSC perfectly called for the auto close right here. 269 was the signal. We sold not 564. Hold on a second. I'll show you. That one is, but this one is seed we're in. Seed we just picked up right here off the bottom. Mojo U, that's 2. Okay, we just bought it right off this, 61. We bought some Gibby right there, 260, sold it up here into 280. We bought Gibby this morning at 275, sold it up into 364. Little Gibby. Gibby's been very, very, very good to Mojo. DGAS, we have it at $4.94. Mojo. Okay, right here, $4.94. Yeah, we printed that low. That is correct. UVXY, it's coming down. Now be the time. Take a look. Yeah, options are 121 now. I'm going to start to buy some. Filled on my options right here. I'm buying the options, not the stock right here. Look, I got filled at 123. They're 121. I just got filled. Here you could see the time and sales. The last couple of trades I sold were 59 and 42. So you slowly want to just keep on tapping. Watch. 21, 22. Filled 21 and 22, 10 each. 22, 23, 24. Cancel the 24. See, I already bought those at 22. They're at 26. I already bought these. I'm already in a profit on these. If I stick them on the ask, you can easily get out. So watch, I'll stick what I just bought, 30 of them at 130. And here's the box created on the options on UV. I'm buying it 10, 10, and 10 and selling right here. And now it's 24 by 20. Now it goes up a little bit. UV pops back up into the 60s right here, and I'll sell these at 30 and make money. It's more than I would have on the stock with tying up less money. So I'm just doing this very weekly. I would right now have 100, 100, and 100 if this thing was going up and it was going through $17. Okay, so that's what we're doing with the options. And I'll show you, here's the position I just bought right here. I've already realized on these options today, a couple thousand. Here, just this on this one little account. Let me show you this one, just trading these smaller ones. I'll show you. I have 30 of them at 122, up 30 bucks. So this thing pops right here through 60. This goes to 30, and these will disappear. And there it goes, 28. This goes 62. This goes 28. Watch, it goes to 65. I sell them at 30. Watch. I'm sitting on the ask. See, I got filled, so I'm sitting right there. So you're trading over my shoulder. You're watching me. I'm educating you how to trade. There's a lot of new groups and traders out there, folks. They're developing all these systems. I'm going to give you my newsletter and everything for a short-term pick. You can pay big dollars for that. And I also have a long-term newsletter. You can pay big dollars for that. Guys, it's all a bunch of malarkey. It's a bunch of bull crap.
No, 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 no. No!
Listen, if you buy a stock, who knows when it's going to go up? It could go up in an hour, and that's short term. It can go up in a day, and that's short term. It may take 2 weeks. That's medium term. It may take 2 months. That's longer term. Who knows when it's going to work? And then you have, oh, look, watch. I'm going to do a newsletter on research on the biotechs. So I'm an expert at biotechs. Watch. I'm going to go onto Yahoo Research. I'm going to find 5 stocks that are all pending FDA approval. I'm going to stick them on my watch list. And any one of these that come out with FDA and it pops up, that's my score. If they don't, it goes down like this one. If it did something like GALT today, G-A-L-T, I wouldn't mention it. Like GALT, drug stock, down big. You don't mention that one. But ARRY, drug stock up big. Yeah, that was on my watch list. I'm the hero. I'm a hero. You can't trade like that. I watched a webinar last night. The guy's made $2 million. His voice was monotone all night. And he, after graduating and not doing well at his job, he decided, and I'll tell you folks, I made a lot of money trading. In my first year, last month was my biggest month of 175,000, and I made $2 million. Yeah, really. And I'm going to show you how I did that. All with realistic trades, just like you're seeing here on my paper trade account. Because when I show you my paper trading statements, it's the same as my regular statements. And nobody makes that kind of money in a real account. It just doesn't happen. But in a paper trading account, ooh, is it so easy to make money. Okay? So the same people that are trying to finagle and furu everyone, oh, make $1 million and I'll buy you a Lamborghini, okay? I can go lease you a Lamborghini for a year for a couple of $100 and everyone would think that I bought you the Lamborghini, okay? Read the fine print. Anyone that makes $1 million in my room, you buy me a Lamborghini, okay? Other way around. Hey, and if you do it every day, 1 to 500 people, 7 of you made money. 500 to 1,000. 3. Listen, if you can make money, I'll replicate my website for you. You can open up your own day trade room and your own newsletter service. All you got to do is hit 2 or 3 big winners. You can charge $1,000 a year. Everyone does it. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've been doing this for 4 years. Subscribers are hard to come by. You lose on one. You're only as good as your last pick. 1 to 2,000, one person. 3 to 5 G's, 3 people. Made money in the demo, everyone. Lost money for real, no one. Lost money in the demo, nobody. Everyone else observing and watching made money. That's how we do it. And last night in that webinar, everyone was himpering and hollering that they're looking for a new service because they're losing in all the other ones. I wonder why. Okay. I'm very small community. Last night, there was over 1,000 people in that webinar, and those rooms have 1,000 people. Folks, I have 38 people. Every single person made money. So do you want to go larger with less? Or do you want to go smaller with more?
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Okay. I picked RGSE yesterday. Big deal. At 380, not 280. No one picked it at 280. I picked it at 380. It went to $8. Went to $8 yesterday. Yesterday, $8. Picked in the Mojo room. Let's see what my options are. I sold them. Look, options got sold at 130. While I've been talking to you, look. Right there, 30 of them. I just sold them. Thank you. Just made a couple $100 more. I'll take that to the bank. Do it again. So now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to line up some buys on the UV at 20. See if I can get filled. 21, 19. Let it take a dump. Okay. And just set up a couple of buys here. Very nice. All right, here we go. It's going to go up again. 64.65 on your stock. Every single day that I do the show, we trade UVXY and we make money. Hashtag Mojo Show money. Mojo Show UVXY money. Mojo Show UVXY money. We just traded it again for 15 from 1650 to 65 range. Yeah, let me show you something. I have a crystal ball. What I did before was let me see what I got. Oh my gosh, I better have these. Yep, I do. So here's what happened. We were at 9:55 in the morning. UVXY was right here. So what I did was my crystal ball came out and I said, ho, 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 ho. See these green bars that are going to come? I drew them. These are not, I drew these with my pen. And I drew this and I drew this right here. Look what happened. 15 minutes later. Watch. So UVXY was right here, my drawing. And I drew the next bar and the next bar. Watch. Up, there's that one. Up, up. Nice. Up, up. Nice. Up. That's what Mojo drew. So tell me if that looks like this. Right here. There you go. There you go. I always get texts and phone calls when I do the show. No other time. So here is the bar I drew, which is you have this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. which is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay? And then here's my drawing. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Rail grind. Pro Trader Mike. Feeling of greatness. Textbook Mojo University. I teach that to all my students in my class. Mojo does for UVXY what the Home Shopping Network does for cookware. Nice. You know why? We just do it. Yo, BSPM, they're moving it again a little bit, but it's got no volume. See? 397 now. It's only 144 though. Jivo's moving back up. What's Jivo at? 49.03, 49 bid. They had it. It went up to 52 earlier. Something's going on with Jivo. Just got to hold it for a day or two. Here's Sun Edison just chilling today. Sun's only traded 431,000. Let's take a look at First Solar. FSLR down now 42. Made a huge run. Nice triangle. Really nice triangle. Couple of the ones we just traded right here for the room in the last couple of minutes was RGSE. And see, options are 160, options 170 from 110. Gibson long 270. Gibson was big trading today too. Gibson sold that one 280. AVXL, we traded good. Apple, great short on Apple. I shorted Apple at 114.35. Look. 113, look. 113.77. Apple short right here. See this? Apple short under 114.50. We shorted it right here. Look, 114.60 with a 10-cent risk. If the market turns, we got huge upside. See that at 10:02? It's at 113.77. Oh, could you imagine it stopped there? Holy crap. No way. It did not stop there. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It was 53. On that stopping station, are you kidding me? BSPM busted. 410. Told you, just as I'm talking about it, everyone's watching my damn show. Everyone's watching my show. They're banging out, busting trades off my moves that I'm talking about. How sweet is that? BSPM's popping off my show. Only during the show, of course. Dow's down 20. UV doovy. What's that? What them things again? They're at 123. Come on down, Mr. UV. Come on down. That'd be nice. It's only at 1%. Here's a stock, DRAD. $5. Digirad Corporation, no volume, fold, but it's got a nice daily. Kang, King Kang. Kang Dang on the Bang Bang. Ooh, nice daily on Dang Dang in the Bang Bang Bang. Here's Dang. Yeah, that's Kang. Here's Dang. Ooh, Dang don't even trade no more. Ding Dang in the Bing Bang. Ding 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 Dang in the Bing 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 Bang. So we've made some good moves. I'm going to educate the room now to a new strategy that I have developed that I am teaching in Mojo University. Real deal. Okay? You can learn how to do this. I'll pick every winner on the whole day, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Watch. SPU. Oh, we have this one at $1. This is a swing pick we own at $1 in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. I picked it at $1. This is SPU. And go to the daily chart. So SPU went right here to right here. Right here, $8 to $11.40. So that's the first one. The first one. Okay. Then you got this one, AVXL. AVXL went from the low right here of 246, and it's now at 454. How in the world do you pick those? Here's the next one. This is my pick today, HLIT, which we got an alert on, which was called harmonic. Right here, we got an alert at 560. And we wrote it into 599. Here's the alert that I got today, right here. It popped up, alert, right here, $5.45 to 50. We bought it here at 60, 50. And from there, the stock made a new high of the day of 599. Awesome trade. Okay. So we have that, which was an HLIT alert, but I have a lot of alerts actually. Get triggered all the time. What's UV at? 57 by 58. All right, let's just wait. I'm in no rush to trade it again. See if it busts under 50. So I'll show you a couple other ones. CCCL, which is China Ceramics. Okay. Busting up. How do you know how that works? Seed. How in the world do you pick winners like this that do this? Off lows like this? How? How do you know when it's going to turn? SMIT? Nothing. You can't. That's a baseline. OPTT. How do you know when it's going to stop, turn, and go up huge? How do you know? I know. BSPM. How do you know when it's going to stop and go up huge? I know. Here goes UV. How does EKSO? How does TTS? How does TNAH? That's not a good one. MIOC. How do you know when's the bottom? Was it here? Was it here, 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 here? How do you know? I have the answer, and it's very accurate. Okay? UV 70 now. We always make money on UV. Always make money on UV for the show. Amazing. UVXY 1670 now for you shareholders. 1672 now. It's amazing. BSPM's 420 now. I got to put it up over here. BSPM 420 now. DGAS is 588. DGAS, how do you know how do you know where the bottom is and how it's going to do that? I know every single time. I did it on UWTI right here at $16 and the stock went to 26, 27. How did I know this was the bottom? How did I know that was the bottom? How did I know that was the bottom? That was the bottom. How do you know? I know. This is what I'm going to show all my students and what I'm going to teach. Okay? And you all can easily learn that and do that because, guys, there's 5,000 stocks to choose from. You can apply it to any single stock. All you got to look is at the daily chart. Okay. BSPM. It happened on RGSE. How'd you know this? How didn't you know this was the bottom? How'd you know this was the bottom and it flew up? How? OPTT, AVXL, Gibson, Array, all of them. Going to show you after the show. APTI, EVOC. Take a look at the swings. I got a couple of swing traders watching right now. We're in, I didn't pick this LLNW. It was one of my Sunday picks. I didn't send it out. It's gone up this bar, and this bar. Zynga went to 288, 287 already. We have some of that. CPRX we sold. Great trade. ORIG I'm disappointed in. Gasoline, it's in a baseline. It hasn't done anything. Gasoline was rising last week, and I asked my room for 2 gas stocks. It was between ORIG versus Seed. Okay, and I took this one because it was cheaper, and I thought it would make a more percentage move than Seed. And look what Seed did. Oh, I hate when that happens. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Can't win them all. But we have some nice ones. Look at medical marijuana. Something's going on with the marijuana industry right now. Another one is I like is PHOT. Got a little bottom here. Nice percentage move could be made on this stock back up into the base. Nothing's changed from here to here on the company. Roxy, I've got Roxy just like SPU. I've told you many times. Roxy is the next SPU kind. We've got NSPR up 7%. Got PIP, got some of that left, 260. Got some of this left, cheap. Got some of this. Got some of this. Got some of this. Got a little bit of this. Got a little bit of everything because you never know which one's going to go. So you got to have a little of them all. That's it. So let's see if UV comes down and we'll nail it again. Great trading. Anybody have any questions? This was DGAS, up big for swingers at 858 this morning. It's gone up all day long. Some people own DGAS at $5 and less. Look. Gibby's flying. Yeah. Favorite range, 16 to 1650. Mojo Crystal. I can't find it. I heard Hines. I knew I'd make money. Hoping for another. That's my trade. Love it. Nice. It's an ATM machine. Yellen's yakking now. Grilling Yellen on TV is going to be helping. Givo looks nice. Hump day. That's it. Nothing's really happening. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'm going to go help the room now and show them my little dealio and how I've gotten all those stocks and what the new trade play is called. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it humpy, baby.
I like the rhyme. I like my beats funky. I'm spunky. I like my oatmeal latte. I'm sick with this. Straight gangsta Mac.